Good evening everyone, this is Gnaneshwar from CSC 3rd year, Vishnu Institute of Technology. Previously I have created a Telegram chatbot on movies information and it was done good. But in that there is no database connectivity. It means no storage facility to store the user data. For that, as per the course WD 401, I have added NO-SQL database to my chatbot. Through it, the user can store the data and also the user can retrieve the data which was stored in the database. NoSQL database means the data will be stored in the form of key value pairs in an object. For example, MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. For large scale storage purpose, NoSQL database is better than a normal SQL database. As mentioned, I have added NoSQL database to my chatbot. Here I have used Cloud FIRESTORE database, which is provided by the Google. The first step is login. After login into the website, we will create a database, and this database contains collections. Here I have created a collection name called user, and this user collection contains some documents. These documents represent each entry by the user into the database, and these documents contains the respective fields, and these fields contains the key value pairs which are encoded, which are capsuled in an object. Here object is nothing but a container. This is the code which I have written for my chatbot, which is also having a database connectivity. Here I have created movies chatbot by using API, movie API. I have taken this movie API from website called OMDB. Now I will show that website. This is the website from which I have taken movie API. Now to insert the movie name into the database, here we will use a keyword called new_movie along with the movie name. If the movie name entered by the user is really exist in the real world movies, then the movie name will be stored in the database in the collection name called user. And to store these data into the database, or to insert the data into the database, here we use add function which adds the data which into the database. Now to get the data which was already stored in the database, we are using get function which retrieves the data from the database. For example, in my chatbot, the user can retrieve the data which contains the history of movies he was searched in my chatbot by using keyword called history movies, and this is the get function part to retrieve the data from the database. And if the user neither enters new movie or history movies, then this else part will be executed. It means the user have to enter only instructions new movie to insert the data, and the history movies to retrieve the history of movies he has searched in my chatbot. Now the execution part. Now you can see this is my chatbot. Now I am starting my chatbot. You can see it is giving welcome messages and some instructions to the user. Now I am entering a movie name by using as I mentioned, to insert the movie into the database, the keyword we are using new movie, new_movie, and movie name. Now you can see the movie is stored successfully, and I will enter another movie. Movie name Avengers. It is also stored successfully. And you can see by using API we are giving reply to the user the entire details of the movie name along with the poster. Let us check the get function if it is working properly or not. To execute get function, which means to get the history of the movies which are searched by the user, the keyword is history movies. Yes, you can see my chatbot is working properly. It is giving the all the history which are searched by the user in my chatbot, and we can also check the else condition. If user enters something like this, which are not defined in the keywords, the only keywords are new movies and history movies. You can see the else condition is executed. Give instructions only new movie or history. So this is my chatbot. Thank you.